All right, so thinking again of how fractions are division. So we've got a word problem here, which you're going to see during your practice. So our word problem is a teacher gives 5 packs of candy to your group of 3 students. If you share the candy equally, how much candy does each student get? So I just read that the first time. Second time I'm going to read, I'm going to underline the numbers that I see. So a teacher gives 5 packs of candy to your group of 3 students. So she's giving 5 packs of candy to your group of 3 students. So that's 3 students in it. If you share the candy equally, how much candy does each student get? So I'm going to read it my third time, and this time I'm going to box in the question and check for understanding. So a teacher gives 5 packs of candy. Teacher is giving 5 packs of candy to your group of 3 students. So that must mean there's 3 students in my group. If you share the candy equally, how much candy does each student get? So I'm going to box in how much candy does each student get, all right, because that's what it's asking. And I'm going to check for understanding. I think the teacher is giving 5 different packs of candy. So I'm going to draw my 5 packs of candy. Super artist here. And she's giving it, or he's giving it, to your group of 3 students. So I'm going to draw, okay, all of this is going to go to 3 students. 1 student, 2 student, and the 3rd student. Of course, you got to put little smiles on their faces. So if we share it equally, how much candy does each student get? So I've got 5, and I'm going to give to 3 students. So I say they have 5. We have, of course, our first number. Oh, you can't see that. Sorry about that. 5 pieces of candy is what I have, and I'm going to divide it into 3 groups because there are 3 people in that group. Okay, so 3 people. So 5 pieces of candy divided by our 3 people. So another way that I can write that from the first video we saw, okay, well, let's go in reverse. Division is also just fractions. So our first number is 5. Remember that number ran away, so it's the numerator divided by 3. So to answer our question, how much candy does each student get? Each student, and I'm writing in a sentence to answer our question because it's a word problem, each student, or family member in our case, will get 5/3, or 5 over 3, pieces of candy. Perfect around Halloween. And I'm going to make sure that my answer is clearly marked. Circle that final answer. And there you go. Good luck on your practice.